A single disc machine can be used to wet scrub, polish and sand floors. The single disc machine is used with the scope of stripping to evenly distribute the cleaning solution and to scrub off the sticking dirt and loosened, worn floor finishes. Before commissioning, the machine is checked for possible damage and to ensure that it is in a safe operational condition. The power cable is also checked visually and physically for defective parts right down to the plug. Depending on the application area, there are different brushes and pads for the single disc machine. The blue pads, for instance, are suitable for stripping linoleum, green and black pads for PVC. The brush and drive plate are both fitted to the unplugged tilted single disc machine. Suitable protective equipment must be worn when mixing the cleaning solution and later during cleaning. This includes waterproof shoes, protective gloves and safety glasses. The cleaning solution must be prepared according to the manufacturer's instructions and filled into the tank. Tip: to make filling the tank easier, it is recommended that the guide bar is set slightly at an angle. The machine should only be connected to the power immediately before cleaning begins. A PRCD safety device is used here for safety reasons. For ergonomic operation of the single disc machine, the guide bar should be locked at hip height so that the arms are slightly bent. The single disc machine is controlled by minimal raising and lowering of the guide bar. If the guide bar is raised, the machine moves to the right. Lowering the guide bar moves the machine to the left. The machine is started by lifting the upper level on the operating handle. The long lever on the left is for operating the solution tank. The cleaning solution is distributed in parallel, slightly overlapping rows. Start at a point on the opposite side of the exit. After distribution, the actual wet scrubbing takes place in systematic overlapping circular movements. After use, disconnect the single disc machine from the power. Only then can the brushes or drive plate be taken off the machine. If there are still cleaning solution residues in the tank, these can be removed with a wet vacuum cleaner. Finally, the single disc machine is cleaned using a damp cloth so that it is ready to be used again. Tip: when winding up the cable, wipe over it with a damp cloth in one hand and wind it over the other hand of the machine. This way the tension on the cable is not too high and it can be removed again easily for the next use.